Hello guys, I'm going to do a CapCut tutorial about 3D text and camera movement to make something like this. Well, let's get this started. Well, first thing first, you need your photo or background. I'll just now. I want to make this, I'm going to make this a little bit longer. I think, there you go. Okay, now what you want to do is I need you to screenshot and crop this, and screenshot and crop this. And then add both of them, here. I'm going to crop this a little, because there's this weird blue thing. Okay. Now, you also want to resize your thing, but first click splice and filter on both overlays. And then you also want to resize the main video to be like not that big. Copy that. Okay. Then you got that. We need to make the blurry part bottom. Now, what you want to do is you want to make a new project. The picture, and you want to use the photo you use for the background. For me, was the Rickroll. And what you want to do is you want to edit, and then you want to rotate it twice. You want to go on animations, combo, and click on flip 5. Now go to the very start and then screenshot it and then crop it so it fits. That, click back to your normal video, click overlay, and then add this and add this. You want to click splice, filter, and put this at the bottom, and this is optional. Actually, you want to resize this a little bit. And you want to do optional. You can affect blur, and then like this, video effects, you can basic blur, like it. You can do blur, and you click on objects, click on overlay if you like. Okay, now it's time to get started on the actual text. Now, I'm going to add this CapCut. Well, this is my example text. You want to change the style to however you want, but I recommend doing click on shadow, clicking the white shadow, and turning down the blur. And also, I would go on stroke and make a stroke. And then once you've done that, you want to put it around right there. And you also want to click on animations. I forgot to show this. You want to click on animations, and then I would usually use for this. If you want to use my animation, I'll show you it, but you can also choose your own. I use this animation and I make it last like 1 second. And you want to finish like that. Now, after that, click copy and lower it down 1 second. About 1 to 2 seconds. چرا شما همش میان تو من دارم یه ویدیو درست میکنم. Now you change the text. And you're going to want to change the direction. Well, you want to make it bigger, and I would recommend overlapping. But you also need to put it a little bit more forward. Copy that, shorten it a little, and change the text. And then you want to move that to be about right here. And you want to make it even bigger. Now we got this. Now you see we got 3D text. But we need to make the camera movement to make this look much better. So click export. Click on new project. Add the project. And now actually I did something wrong. One recommendation when you do this is you don't put the text at the start. You have to do a little bit after. It'd make it a lot more easier. Oh yeah, I had to change that real quick. Now you add a new project with it. And a keyframe at the start and leave it as it is. Then as soon as this text starts approaching, you want to go zoom in with like pinching your fingers and go to the text. And then here, and you want to move it to the 3-dimensional. And then you do here, go to editing, and then you go here. And then you zoom back out. And then I'm just going to close that in because I don't need that last part. Now, what you want to do, between each graph, between each keyframe, you choose the ease in 3 graph. Which are right in the very end. Now, that's that, but one thing I did is I went to animations and I did shake 1 for the whole thing. And this is what you get. Pretty cool. I could have made the difference between the 3-dimensional and editing a little bit longer, but that's something I can do later. And that's how you make the 3D text. I hope you guys enjoy.